Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Jamo. We out here with the Google Pixel, but today is not about the Pixel. Today, as you can see in the background, is about the JBL Clip 2 portable Bluetooth speaker going against the UE Ultra Boom or Wonder Boom, whatever it's called, Bluetooth speaker. Now, obviously, these two aren't in the same speaker class, but give or take £20 on Amazon UK, and that is the price difference you have between the two. Both are quite small and portable. Obviously, the Wonder Boom's about double the size of the JBL Clip 2, but I thought we'd just play some music and see what it sounds like outside, because we out here in the garden, and I'm gonna put 10 meters between myself and the two Bluetooth speakers and see what kind of sound we can get against all this wind. So yeah, let me start off with the JBL Clip 2. Let's make sure that I'm connected. Yep, I am indeed. Right, so let's go with some of this. Let's turn that all the way up. And let's go on to the WonderBOOM. Alright, let's go. Now let's go back on to the JBL Clip 2 and let's try and play something else. I'm going to try and edit this out as best as I can.
On the youth, yeah. Said I blame it on the youth. Blame it on the youth, yeah. Yo, we're never gonna get old. Life's too short, trying to get involved. My girls, they're trying to get involved. Sex day.
Alright, now let's try and get connected to that WonderBOOM.
Blame it on the youth, yeah. Said I blame it on the youth.
I just lost my slipper.
Blame it on the youth, yeah. Blame it on the misery loves company. Said I'm comfortable if you close to me. Cause my youth constantly trade hard work for luxury. Destiny's your own create.
Alright, let's try to connect to that JBL Clip 2 again. JBL Clip 2 connected. Let's get the WonderBOOM connected now. one more song, guys. What else have we got going on here? Let's switch it up to the WonderBOOM. Oh, having a bit of connection problems right there. Let's go on the WonderBOOM, see if we're having the same thing. So yeah, guys, that is how well both of them perform outside. Obviously the WonderBOOM is a lot louder than the JBL Clip 2. But it depends. I mean, do you need that much outside? Are you just using it in the shower or are you using them outside? If you're using it in the shower, then the JBL Clip 2 is more than efficient. But yeah, if you want to take it outside, you want to get that sound around the garden, then yeah, maybe oh no, what's it called? Maybe WonderBOOM. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Subscribe and like if you haven't already. And if you have, I will catch you in the next one. Jamo out. Let me know what you think.